Beauty tips I wish I knew sooner. Rinsing your mouth after brushing your teeth can actually lead to tooth decay. You're not supposed to rinse your mouth afterwards because that means you're just washing away the fluoride before it can really work on your teeth. So if you don't want cavities, spit out the toothpaste once you're done with it and leave the water. How much shampoo do we really need to use? For short hair, it should be about the size of a nickel. Medium hair, the size of a quarter. And long hair, about $50. You're also not supposed to apply the shampoo directly onto your scalp. Apply it on your hands, emulsify it, then add it to your scalp and massage it for a minimum of 3 minutes. And that number is regardless of hair type and length. While shampoo should only be applied to the scalp, conditioner should be applied to the bottom 2/3 of the hair. Your scalp produces natural oils, so you don't need to add more. Eye cream should actually be applied before moisturizer or under your moisturizer, not on top of it. And if you don't have an eye cream, that CeraVe healing ointment that everyone uses on their face is perfect for under eyes. Shh, that one's a secret. You're only supposed to exfoliate your face 2 times a week. Anything more than that is going to be too harsh. You should be washing your face and doing your skincare at least an hour before bedtime. If you're human, you're going to have pores. Some may be larger, some may be smaller, but if a skincare product says that it can get rid of your pores, save your money, honey. And lastly, you should be wearing sunscreen even if it's cloudy. Like and follow for part 2.